Yes. Good job. Pretty good for what? Eating number 4? Do you like that, Jackson? Do you like your food?
Woohoo!
Would you like to eat some food? You a hungry man? Hungry man. What's Daddy laughing at? What's your daddy laughing at? Whoa!
Uh-oh.
Miss.
Don't put it in his eye.
I get that. There we go. Think he's made for eating or what? Give me more! Big bite. Ooh, good one! Wow. What about that bit?